An electric breast pump is powered by electricity or batteries and is designed for regular and efficient milk expression. One of its biggest benefits is convenience. Electric pumps require minimal physical effort, making them ideal for mothers who pump frequently or for longer periods. Electric breast pumps are time-saving and often more efficient, especially models that allow double pumping, which expresses milk from both breasts at the same time. They also offer consistent and adjustable suction levels, which can help stimulate milk production and maintain supply. This makes them especially helpful for working mothers or those building a milk stash. In summary, an electric breast pump is best for mothers who need to pump often, value efficiency, and want a comfortable, hands-free option for daily use.